Want to add clean visual separation between your content sections? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the aBlocks divider block to enhance your layout with stylish dividers. First, open the section of your website where you want to insert a divider. Then, search for the divider block and insert the aBlocks divider block into your page. Let's explore the General tab of the aBlocks divider block and see how you can customize the divider's content settings. First, under the Style option, you can choose how your divider looks. Pick from options like solid, dashed, or dotted lines to match your design style. Next is the width control. Use the slider or input a value to set how wide you want the divider to appear on your page. You can also set different widths for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Below that, we have alignment settings. Choose to align the divider to the left, center, or right depending on your layout needs. Now customize your divider's appearance using the Style tab. Weight adjusts the thickness of the divider line. Gap controls the vertical space around the divider. Color sets the color of the divider using a color picker or hex code. These options help you style the divider to match your website's design precisely. And finally, you can add an element to the divider, either text or an icon, to give your section breaks more meaning or style. Just select the option you want and customize from there. Once you've finished all your customizations, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Then preview your page to see how it looks live. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and explore other aBlocks tutorials to unlock the full power of Gutenberg. See you in the next video.